Hello friends, today we shall discuss question exercise 5.5 question number 4. Study the diagram. The line L is perpendicular to line M. Here you see this line is L and this line is M. It is perpendicular to one another, right? That means this angle is 90 degree. The question number 8 is CE is equal to EG. Is CE is equal to EG? Okay, is CE is equal to EG. Okay, we will find the distance between them, right? What is the distance you see? C to E, that is final reading is 5 and initial reading is 3. That is 5 minus 3, that is 2 unit, right? That is, here you can write answer A. Question for answer A. Right? The question is CE is equal to EG. Let us take what is CE. The final reading is 5 at E and the initial reading at C is 3. Therefore 5 minus 3, that is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 unit. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 unit, right? And that is equal to C. C is equal to 2 unit. C, right? If we find the distance of EG, we will find the distance of EG, then we are getting EG. What is the final reading? Final reading is 7 at G and initial reading is 5. That is 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 minus 5 is equal to 2 unit. 2 unit. Therefore, we can say that E is the middle of C and G. Therefore, we can say that C is equal to EG because it has same length, right? Therefore, we can say that CE is equal to EG. C equal to EG, right? That is question number A. Now, we'll do question number B. Question number B is now question number B. Question number B. Now question number B. What is question number B? Does PE bisect CG? Does PE bisect CG? Now you see CG. CG is this one. Here you see that this is C and this is G, right? And whether it bisect or not, you have to find the distance. Does P this line bisect C G, right? Now P, here question number B we are solving. Question number B. The question is, does PE bisect CG? CG. What is the value of CG? First we are writing the value of CG. The value of the length of CG is equal to the length of CG. The length of CG is equal to, we are finding the value. What is the value? CG. The final value is 7 and initial value is 3. That is 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Right? CG is equal to 4. And if you find the distance of CE is equal to, C means this one, final is 5 and initial is 3. 5 minus 3 means 2 unit. C is 2 unit, right? And EG, what is the value of EG? What is the unit? EG EG is equal to EG. EG means this one, E to G, that is 7 minus 5. It is also 2 unit. It is also 2 unit. Right? That means you are finding that CG is equal to 4 and C is equal to 2 unit and EG is equal to 2 unit. That means this is the middle point. Right? Therefore, you can say that not only that, and PE and M is perpendicular to L also. That is right, that L is perpendicular to M. Right? Therefore, we can say that P bisects CG. Right? Therefore, we can say that P bisects CG. Bisect CG. Again we are explaining here the value of CG is in final reading is 7, initial reading is 3, that is 7 minus 3 is 4 unit, right? Now what is the value of C? C is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2 unit. What is the value of EG? EG is 7 minus 5, that is also 2 unit. That is in here this is same, that is C is equal to EG, right? C is equal to EG, and here also it is perpendicular to M also, right? Therefore you can say that PE bisect CG. PE means this one, PE bisect CG, right? This is the solution of question number B. Next we will do the question number C. Question number C is, here is C, identify, question number C is, identify any two line segment for which PE is the perpendicular bisector. Identify any two line segment for which PE is the perpendicular bisector. You can take any two, like two line segment. You have to take two line segment which is perpendicular, right? Question number C you are taking. What is the question? Identify any two line segment for which PE is the perpendicular bisector, right? Perpendicular bisector C, right? That means if we take DF, taken one perpendicular bisector, and DF is perpendicular to PE, right? Right? Any two line segment for which PE is perpendicular bisector, right? If we take D is the DE, we have taken DE, not F, DE is this line segment, DE, D and E, this line segment, D line segment is one line segment for which the P is the perpendicular bisector. We take another line segment, that is CG, C and G. Here you see CG. CG is from here to here, CG, right? Therefore, this distance is fixed. 5 minus 3 is 2 unit, and 7 minus 5 is 2 unit. And here you see M is perpendicular to L also, right? M is perpendicular to L also. You can say here M is perpendicular to L also, right? Therefore, you can say that D and CG are two line segments for which P is the perpendicular bisector. Therefore, you can say that D and CG, D and CG, D and CG are two line segments, two line segments, line segments line segments for which for which for which PE is the perpendicular bisector, is the perpendicular bisector, perpendicular bisector, right? Therefore we got that D and CG are two line segments for which P is the perpendicular bisector. Now we'll solve question number D. Question number D we'll solve now. Question number D. Are these true? Now question number D. Are these true? AC is greater than FG. Now question number D1. Question number D1. The question is, are these true? AC is greater than FG. AC, what is the distance of AC? Here you see this is AC. Here to here this is AC. And FG is this one. Right? What is the length of AC? Length of AC is, we are finding the length of AC. Right? We are finding the length of AC. Length of AC is equal to, final reading is 3, initial reading is 1, that is 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2 unit. That is 2 unit. Right? And if we find the value of Fg, that is Fg, the value of Fg is Fg. What is the value of Fg? Fg, the final value is 7, initial value is 6, that is 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1 unit. 1 unit. Right? Therefore, we can say that AC is greater than Fg. It is right. Therefore, AC, we can say that AC is greater than Fg. AC is greater than Fg. Right? Now, question number 2. CD is equal to GH. Question number 2. Question number 2 is CD is equal to GH. CD, which is on CD? You see this one is CD, C to D. Right? You find the length of CD. CD is equal to, final reading is 4 minus 3, 4. Initial reading is 3, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 unit. CD is 1 unit. Right? And what is the value of GH? GH. We are taking the value of GH. But the final reading is 8 and the initial reading is 7. That is 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1 unit. Is equal to 1 unit. Is equal to 1 unit. Right? Therefore, you can say that CD is equal to GH. Therefore, you can say that CD is equal to GH. Right? Now we'll do question number 3. Question number 3. Now question number 3 is, BC is less than EH. We'll find the value of BC. BC. Length of BC. What is the length of BC? Here you see B is here and C is here. That if we take final reading minus initial reading, that is 3 minus 2. That is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 unit. BC is equal to 1 unit. Right? If we take EH, what is the value of EH? EH. What is the value of EH? Here you see E is here, E and H is here. Right? If we, what is the final reading of H? H is 8 and initial reading of E is 5. That is 8 minus 5. That is 8 minus 5 is the length. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 unit. Is equal to 3 unit. 3 unit. right? Therefore, it is BC is less than EH. Therefore, you can say BC is 1 unit and EH is 3 unit. Okay. Therefore, you can say that BC is BC is less than EH, is less than EH, right? This is the solution of question number 4. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. And also press the notification bell so that you will get the uploaded videos immediately.